Hi guys, it's Nunu and I'm here with you in English 127, which is creative writing. We are here in home, which for us serves as a bulletin board to our classroom with useful information and our artwork, our motif for this classroom. Okay, so let's survey our bulletin board. What do we have here? Up at the top, we have Canvas Help. The 24/7 helpline is here, and we have a link to the Canvas student guide. Over here to the left, we have Canvas tutorials, and we also have Office 365. As you know, that contains Word and other apps that you can use online simply by logging in with your student email. Okay, so what else do we have on our bulletin board? We have a link to our work, week 15 in modules, May 13th through 19th, 2019. And we have Pop Writing 2, and the topic is conflict, which for us, of course, means conflict in a plot. Okay, so what is our artwork? We have our ever-present window, our motif for the course, to take us through this window into another life. And I picked this moving image of the train, which I thought was pretty cool. Okay, I'm scrolling up. I'm going to click on Syllabus in the left menu here, then on Instructor and Course Information. And I'm reminding you that all the different ways to contact me are right here. And please don't forget that I Skype during office hours from 12 to 2 p.m. on Monday and Wednesday. Here is my Skype name and my Skype number. Okay, I'm scrolling back up. I'm going into our bulletin board here in Home. I'm going to center the screen on this great image that I like so much. And I'm going to remind you that I'm here in Inbox. You're never ever bothering me when you email me. I love to hear from you, actually. Any questions, any concerns about our class, about what you're writing, I'm here. Okay, let's have a good week.